This video is to explain why we need the user location access for MyFSCurtis mobile application. Let me show you opening MyFSCurtis mobile app, allowing all the access asked by the application. Tapping 5 times on FSCurtis logo, we choose the environment to work on. Selecting integration testing as of now, and then login with the login credentials provided. Then logged in. So here we can see my service calls. So into my service calls, the latest service ticket assigned to the service engineer, that is the user, can be seen. So here you can see DLSE000019 is the service ticket number assigned to this user. And when we select trip start, so trip start is the event when the service engineer will be using this is he leaves to the site. So selected trip start, submitted successfully, and trip finish is the event when he reaches the site and then clicks on it. So then clicking on work start, that physically work started, and then work finish, physically work finished. So done. So now let me show you where exactly it reflects and how it will be. So here we can see the status of the service ticket has been changed from assigned to in progress. So let me show you why we need the event location as just a second. So here into this service ticket, we go to log, under which here the trip start, you can see the event location is captured. And when the trip finish is done by the service engineer or the user, there again the event location is captured. So this is as per the client requirement. So that is why we need the user location access for the mobile application usage. That's it. Thank you.